Hi everyone, and welcome to the Honest John car review channel. I like to think that our car reviews are completely different to everything else out there, mainly because we're completely honest about the cars in a way that nobody else really is, hence the name, but also because I don't have the budget to hire out an airstrip and do drag races on it. So in this case, necessity really has been the mother of invention. Bit of green paint, bosh. The way we see it, it's important that you learn something about the cars, obviously, but we think it's possible to do that without blabbing on for hours about cup holders and stuff. Unless the cup holders are really specifically good cup holders, like the ones in a Porsche Boxster, they're mint. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome and please enjoy all the stuff that's already on here. But if you've been with us for a while, we are going to change things a little bit from now on. What? You see, Honest John isn't just me, it's actually one of the biggest, and I think the best consumer automotive websites in the country. So these reviews don't exist in a vacuum, and you should see them as supplementary to all the information that's already on the website. The fun icing on a massive information cake, if you like. Basically, you're going to start seeing links below the reviews, and you can use them to dig deeper into any of the cars that you're interested in. And that means that I can make a shorter and more entertaining video for you. Like, still informative, obviously, but just more of the good stuff, hopefully. And when you do fold the seats down, your stuff's basically rolling around on top of the plastic seat backs. They see me rolling. We hear the engine whining, but you could... They've achieved that goal. The Lexus RC certainly provokes a reaction, unless you're this guy. But for some reason, I can't quite remove the image from my head of an F-Type that's gone to some backstreet surgeon in Eastern Europe and asked for the cheapest injections that they do.
The real-life Hulk. My body attracts women very much.
That's actually how they used to make Lamborghinis. But it also puts this car slap bang in the middle of the modern hot hatch plurality. Oh, we're so close. Of the modern hot hatch plurality. Slap bang in the middle of the modern hot hatch. But it also puts this slap bang in the middle of the modern hot hatch plurality. Hey! You get what I'm saying? And scene! So there you go, if you're still here, thanks for listening to me blab on for this long. Please look through the reviews on the channel and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And tell your friends to subscribe too. I appreciate your time. See ya!